All right, so today we're going to do a little garden upgrade. I'm so excited about this one. Even though it's a little bit chilly outside, we're going to go ahead and assemble this. Now, this is the Horticulture Raised Garden Planter with the Trellis. So this is perfect if you love growing flowers, climbing plants, or vines, but you want everything neat, elevated, and pretty. Once you open the box, everything is packed really well. The pieces are labeled, which I love. You get the planter box, the trellis panels, hardware, and instructions all in one box. I love this dark color brown. It looks really good in outdoor spaces, especially once you add that pop of green or that color of flowers. It fits for farmhouse, backyard, patio, and garden vibes perfectly. Once you start assembling it, it's really easy. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver or a power drill like I used. The panels connect firmly to form the raised planter box first, and once that's built, you can attach the trellis on the back. Honestly, this is extremely straightforward. There was no confusing steps, no missing parts, no frustration. I didn't have to undo anything and redo something because I didn't understand how it originally went. It was all basic. So this took me about 20 minutes to put together, and I did it all by myself. Once you get to look at the finished product, it's super beautiful. It's tall, sturdy, and has plenty of space for soil and plants. The trellis gives you so many options for climbing plants. You can use this for roses, tomatoes, cucumbers, jasmine, ivy, or morning glories. And because it's raised, you're not bending over constantly, which my back really appreciates. One feature that I really loved is the drainage holes in the bottom. This helps prevent overwatering and it keeps your plants healthy. So no soggy roots, no standing water, no plant stress. I was sent this gardening trellis to try out, and after assembling it, I love that I can use it for patios, porches, decks, backyards, along a fence, even in a pool area, anywhere you want vertical greenery. What I really like is that this is both functional and decorative. It's not just a planter, it's also a design piece for your outdoor space. I'm all about my patio decor because that is my space. That is my area that I love to go to early in the mornings and late afternoons, watch the sunset. I love to have beautiful plants around me while I do that. If you've been wanting to grow climbing plants but don't have a garden bed or just want something neat and elevated, this is a fantastic option.